Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show can be found on my website, eileenlittlecrafter.com. Okay, alrighty. So I have a haul video for you guys. These are for my big happy planners. And one is a January kit and one is a February kit. I know January pretty much is gone, and I ordered 2 packs of them. This is from, it's called In the Middle, blank in the middle, apricot apricot tree planning. Excuse the noise. I probably should have opened them beforehand. This is my first time ordering from them. And I didn't realize that January is like pretty much gone, but that's alright. So it tells you the size. So this is what this looks like. I might use some of this for my memory keeping. I really like the colors. I think that it would go well with probably some of them. I may use them for some of my whatever's left for January. We shall see. I don't know. And it's really cute. Really cute. I may use also some of these for February. The reds, the blues are really cute. You know, like that and stuff. I may use again throughout the year. So that was from Apricot Tree Planning. I want to say Apricot Planning, but it's not. And she also sent me these cute little sticky notes, and she wrote, "Thank you. Love your handwriting, by the way." Alrighty, so this one I did not want to take apart because I'm looking at it going, oh my god, look how cute. And the bow is a beautiful color. Look how cute that is. Like, it says, made with love. So stinking cute. I was like, oh my god. Her bow is so perfect. Like, I really don't want to unwrap it, but I'm going to have to. Let's see if I can do that trick again. Okay, yes. It worked. It is so cute. It's really stinking cute. I know, I'm a nut. I'm a sucker for, and thank you. Oh my god. How cute is this? How cute is this? I can get it open. I really gotta go back to the beauty salon. To the nail technician. Oh my goodness. Cut these bad boys down. Okay, so, oh my goodness, how beautiful. A couple of things came out. Oh my god. Ooh, I can use those for my other planners. Ooh. Okay, so what are we getting into? I think this is from, let me see. A review. Okay, I forget who this is from. My apologies. This is from Plan Boldly by You, Charlotte's Paper Company. This is her email address. This is her information. I'll put it down below or in my thank you. What a cute little picture. Oh my goodness. For treating yourself and supporting a handmade business. Oh my goodness. How beautiful. What a beautiful family. Oh my goodness. How beautiful. That is such a special little touch right there. Oh my goodness. I'm like in love. I'm like, oh my god. Okay, let's keep going. Alrighty, so we got some cute little freebies. These are some gold. Thank you. Alright, some of these. This is really cute. This is for February, I believe. Yeah, February. This is the February kit. I don't know. I looked at this and I was like, okay, it does have some pink. I love the florals. This was really cute. And let me put this over to the side. Alright, so. Okay. That's better. So I really thought this was cute. Has a little coffee, piggy bank, for hydration, groceries, Happy Mail, bills, weight loss. Somewhere beautiful. Stickers, love that. So here we go with the bills. I think I ordered 2 of these, so some of them may be duplicates. So, oh, it comes in a full pack. I thought this was just a single pack. Like half of that, half this. This is cute. So, again, this is from Charlotte's Paper Company, and the other one was from Apricot. And these are for big happy planners. How cute, love. More of that. Oh, how adorable. Alrighty guys, I normally don't do a video on Saturdays, but I may have to start doing a video on Saturdays to reach my goal of 10,000 and reach the new YouTube standards. We shall see how that goes. Thank you also so much for everybody who watches this video. Your support is greatly appreciated, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Oh, excuse me, I'm a little winded. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you would love to see more from me and would like to support this channel. I greatly appreciate it. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave it down below. Or you can always email me. My email address is Eileen@eileenlittlecrafter.com. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.